Installing roof jacks. These are adjustable roof jacks I purchased for an 8/12 pitch roof for putting on the shingles. And what it does was hold a, in this case, a 2x6, 8-foot long board across there for you to walk on and give you some stability and put your tools and extra shingles on while you're roofing. Basically, you just nail it up there with 3 16-penny nails. You can use the slots on the right or on the left. Either one, it's your option. And then you can lay the shingles right over the top of it. I just have a couple of screws holding the board up. So we just remove the screws. And then we can remove the board. Once the board is removed, hopefully you can see underneath there, there's 3 nails holding that bracket. So I just wiggle the bracket a little bit. It's kind of stuck to that tar. It's been up here for a couple of days. And then that comes out. I just pound those nails in and leave them. That third one's kind of hard to get to, so I just use the bracket. Pound that third nail in, and then that'll stick back down from the sun. So we remove that one, and that's all there is to it. You can't even tell where they were.